Welcome to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? This is your go-to source for practical advice and support when considering if a divorce is the right answer for you. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll uncover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here is your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome back to Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we're going to explore legal separation. Now, it is a potential stepping stone or an alternative to divorce. So divorce isn't always the answer when a marriage hits a rough patch. Legal separation offers a middle ground, allowing a period of separation while still remaining legally married. But is it the right option for you? Well, let's weigh the pros and cons of this. Let's start with the pros of legal separation. First, the benefits. Legal separation allows you and your spouse to live apart, address financial issues, and potentially work through marital problems. It can provide a trial separation period to see if space can rekindle the spark or solidify your decision to move on. Finances are a major consideration. Separation allows you to establish separate finances, protecting your credit score and assets. You can determine child support and custody arrangements without the finality of divorce. Religion and cultural beliefs can also play a role. For some, divorce is not an option. Legal separation offers a way to live separately while adhering to those beliefs. Additionally, some benefits like health insurance may hinge on remaining married, and separation allows you to keep those benefits. On to the cons of legal separation. Of course, there's downsides. Legally, you're still married. This means limitations. You can't remarry, and depending on your location, inheritance rights might be affected. You'll likely still have to file joint tax returns until the separation is finalized through a divorce. Emotionally, legal separation can be a state of limbo. It might prolong uncertainty, and navigating holidays or family events together can be awkward. Additionally, the legal fees associated with separation can actually be significant, especially if you don't have a clear agreement on finances or child custody. So ultimately, the decision to separate legally depends on your specific circumstances. And you're going to want to consider some questions. For example, is there a chance for reconciliation? How important are financial considerations like health insurance or joint assets? Are there religious or cultural beliefs that influence your decision? And are you both committed to open communication and working towards an amicable agreement? If you are leaning towards legal separation, consulting with a lawyer experienced in family law is critical. They can guide you through the legal process, outline your rights and obligations, and help you draft a separation agreement that addresses your individual needs. So, legal separation can be a valuable tool for couples navigating a difficult stage in their marriage. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, though. However, understanding the pros and cons can help you determine if it's the right path for you. Remember, prioritize open communication with your spouse and seek professional legal guidance throughout the process. I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Breaking Ties, Is Divorce the Answer? Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, please feel free to drop a comment or contact me. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.